Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to reverse image search using your Android phone. So if you want to know how to reverse image search on Android, just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So let's go to google.com. Then click the three dots on the upper right corner. Then click Desktop Site. Now, we can zoom in here. So click the camera icon. You can paste an image URL or upload an image. I will click Upload an image. Then choose File. Then I will select Files here. Now, choose an image you want to reverse. For example, this one. And that's exactly how to reverse image search like you usually do on your computer. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!